This is an attempted clutch fix for a Ryobi trimmer, which the clutch no longer worked because it kind of wore out. So what I decided to do was use some pieces from a tin can, cut them out with these shears, and put it inside with JB Weld, and then with the air wheel cutter, then cut the excess off. I put JB Weld in between and on the surface of the clutch itself, and it does fit over. So now to try it out. Okay, now to it did fit. Let's see. I'll get it on there. Okay, this pops out. So I had to I cut a spring and put it in the other shaft to keep it pushed up. But now I have to weld another piece. Okay, we just welded that so it doesn't move anymore. It can be tightened. Okay. It's working now, but to shut it off, the kill switch needs to be rewired because that had broken off. So we'll just get that going. And then these screws to hold this cover on were a little worn, so I'll find something slightly better. Okay. But it is working. Better that it locks up more than less. Using the soldering iron and the heat gun to solder and then shrink wrap. Had to add oil, it was very low. Okay, these are the two trimmers. You can see the one on the left is substantially bigger.